I'm Shilpa Pagaria and I channel healing. I'm into healing and all, and I've been having this issue for a long time. I came here for my sinus and bloatedness. I was having a lot of severe bloatedness and gas issues for the past probably 10-12 years, and it was like really bad. So I was taking in between medicines, it would subside and again increase and everything, and then finally someone suggested that I come here. I tried and I'm so happy. Sinus is completely gone, and bloatedness and gas, I would say 90% I'm absolutely fine. Now probably I'll have to come again every month or so, but majority of the things is like it's completely gone. And what I like best about here was everybody was so courteous, so helpful, and always with a genuine smile, which was like very sweet. And one thing I also liked was like if I come for like gas, it's not just like gas का कि बाहर उसी के लिए रुके. I mean, if I tell him कि मेरे को यहाँ पे भी pain हो रहा है, so that is also being tackled. या मेरे को sleep के issues हो रहे हैं, so that also was being tackled with all this. So it wasn't like just one thing कि हम इसी को ही करेंगे. No, it was everything was taken care of, which was very nice. And I'm very happy, and I'm actually getting a couple of my brother and my friend also here for this. So I'm really happy, very happy. Thank you.